Next step. Next up, we're going to attach a cold seal puntee to our pendant. And we're just going to get into a nice ball here. Attach it to the bottom. Now that we have attached that, sit there. Now we're going to form that bail. So we're going to heat up the top part here. Get a nice little glob of glass going. And the bail ultimately becomes a really important part of this due to the fact that it's the last thing you got to do before it's finished. And no matter how great whatever it is that you made, if it doesn't have a good bail, then odds are it's not going to be very successful for you. So now that we heated this up, we're going to stretch it out. Alright, now we're going to form our bail up. Alright, we're just going to heat that sucker up. You just got to make sure that your hole doesn't close up on you and keep running the reamer through it. Alright, so after working on your bail for a minute and you get it nice and even, reamed out, it's going to wind up looking like something like this.